Hello, and today we are looking at the Skymarks British Airways Airbus A321neo in 1/150 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in this box here, and you can see the fuselage through the front of this nice little window. Have a nice quick look at it there. As is a Skymarks. Turn to the back of the box, we have some very basic instructions of this snap fit model kit. As you can see, here it says, quick snap fit assembly requires no glue or paint, as I will demonstrate in a sec. Then some other little details about it. Let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. So let's open it up, and then underneath we'll have the other parts. So we have the engines, the wings, the stabilizers, and its display stand. And of course, in this here is the fuselage of the plane with the vertical stabilizer already placed in, but you can remove it as well, like so. If you want to fully disassemble it, to then reassemble it again. So let's just put it back in like it was. So there you go, there's the fuselage of the plane. It's very nice and sturdy, very, very solid. Nice fuselage, looking really nice with the detail. You can see, looking across. Now let's start building the wings. So we take the wings from that piece here. You can see the engines are not attached, but we just take the engine, just make sure it's properly lined up, and then click it into place. And it's as simple as that. We do the same for the other wing. And there you go. Now we want to take the fuselage and just push the wings in like that. It is super, super simple. There you have it, looking really nice already. Looking at a classic A321 design. Now moving on to the last two stabilizers that aren't in. You see we have them here. They do also have numbers 1 and 2 matching the wings themselves. If you can have a look, if I pull them out once more, you'll see this wing has 2. So we can link that up to this side as well. 2 to be matching, and then the 1 to match on this side. And there you have it. It is simple as that to build the Skymarks British Airways Airbus A321neo. So let's have a nice look at some of the details up close. So you can see the cockpit. Looking across, we have the British Airways livery, of course. British Airways written here. Got a nice little crest here as well. Their logo, of course, the classic flag on the tail. Here we have a registration of G-TNEC and a nice little Royal Mail symbol as well. Now if we look at more of the physical details, such as the wings, here you can see the flaps, the ailerons. We have the sharp clip wingtips of the A321. Got nice jet engines, as you can see all the way through them. The turbines. And it's the same on both sides, looking again. The flaps, the ailerons, the winglets. And then on to the stabilizers, you can see the elevators on them there. Also, you've got a nice vertical stabilizer as well with the classic British Airways livery. And now underneath, you can see there is no landing gear, but of course, you've already seen there is a display stand here made up of 2 parts. So you can see this first part, it says British Airways Airbus A321neo, and then scale of 1 to 150. So when you have this thing on display, you can have it really simple, showing what the plane actually is. Now we just put the part together like so, and then this just pushes into the bottom of the plane, just like how every other part has so far. And there you have it, the Skymarks British Airways Airbus A321neo in 1/150 scale, a perfect display piece for any fan of British Airways, the Airbus A321neo, maybe someone who's flown on this plane. So I thought it's a really nice plane. Let's get into a little bit about the plane itself. It's an Airbus A321neo, which is a narrow-body, twin-jet airliner, which you can see 2 engines. And it was developed from the standard A321, which is now known as the A321ceo, as the NEO stands for New Engine Option. And this plane began production back in 2014 and remains in production to this day. It is part of the A320 family of planes, with it being the longest variant of that family. And it is also the most ordered variant of that family. And of course, the A320 family of planes themselves are the most ordered airliner in the world, making this one of the most successful planes ever produced. It's a really nice piece. Now, this plane in particular, going back to G-TNEC, was delivered to British Airways at the end of 2023 and has remained in service with them to this day. So there's a chance you may have seen this plane out and about, or may have flown on it personally. So this is quite a modern British Airways plane. Now going back to the model itself, it has a wingspan of about 23.8 centimeters or 9.4 inches, and is about 29.6 centimeters long or 11.7 inches long. So a really nice size, a really nice display piece for anyone who likes, again, British Airways, the Airbus A321neo. Maybe as a gift for someone who's flown on this plane or has even worked on it. So overall, it's a really, really nice little, nice model. And it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.